Today we're going to look at a website by Microsoft called Create. So I'm going to go to create.microsoft.com. As you can see, it's already here as I start to type it. I press enter and it's taken me to this page called Create, and it focuses on productivity, social media, and print. So before you can use this, you need to sign in. And if you don't have an account with Microsoft, you can create one by clicking on create one just here. I'm going to go into it already because I have an account. If you don't, you can just pause the video and you can sign up. So on the productivity section, it's got different things like budgets, cover letters, invoices, minute, planet, planners and trackers. Really, really good presentations, resumes, and you can click on any one of those templates and start to modify it for your own needs. For example, I click on presentation. It's now taking me to this presentation area with loads of wonderful, colorful and exciting templates to be able to create a presentation. So to get back to the page I was on before, I'm going to click create, and it's now taking me back to the home page for create. If I go to social media, it's now focused on being able to create items for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and of course, YouTube. So this is really good because it already creates the sizes needed to make a particular type of post. And so you can use this if you're signed up to Microsoft. And once you're signed up, most of these tools are free to use. So if I wanted to do an Instagram post, I click on Instagram and it has all of these templates available. I'm going to click on truffle mushroom ramen. And if I want to use this, I can say customize. You can see the size is 1080 by 1080. And once I do customize, I can just fill in the information. So you can see here to change it, you just double click and then you start to change the wordings. So I'm just going to say testing. And by playing around, you can navigate through and change the type of text. You can change, if I go to markup, I can change colors. I can add my own media by clicking on upload. You've got visuals. This is the first time I've explored it, but Designer has its own AI features involved. If I go to sticker, I can type an example. So a snowman with sunglasses eating a hot dog, and then click generate. Let's see what it does. So if I click on this, it's actually created the image straight away. I can click on the image behind, delete it. Obviously, this has nothing to do with mushrooms whatsoever. I can resize it by clicking on the handles, and that's it, it's done. If I wanted to download it, I'll click on the download button here. So I'm going to close this particular screen. Back on here again, I'm going to click create to go back to the home page. So that's the social media side. Print. This focuses on business cards, flyers, and letters. And here we can see it's got generate stunning AI powered visuals. So you can imagine spending hours and hours and hours and hours getting carried away with creating different things on here. But all in all, Microsoft has created a great platform for people to be able to create using AI and to put social media posts together quite easily using the templates that they provide. That's your quick intro into Create. If you want to know more about Create or you want me to spend some time creating a particular item, just leave a message in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next one.